The sun
is killing me.
is on me.
It's killing me.
It's on me.
It's killing me.
It's on me, baby.
It's killing me, baby.
The sun is complimenting me right now. Like,
The sun is killing
it's
me.
giving
Like the sun is giving
caramel. I look caramel today.
Caramel today.
I don't even look light. I look a little darker today. I look caramel.
I look caramel.
I do. The sun is complimenting me.
The sun is complimenting me.
Dang, Mario, you don't think it's complimenting me? That's crazy.
I'm
Stop.
way darker today.
Huh?
I'm way darker today.
I'm darker today too.
Yeah.
I look darker today too. I ain't gonna lie.
I look lighter today.
Hey, you look lighter. Nah, bro. Nah, bro, you don't look
Sometimes
lighter.
things change.
Oh, I look darker.
Hey, y'all. I look darker today for sure. I look darker. It's the
Everybody
sun.
can know that.
I can't even open my eyes, y'all. The sun
Mama,
is
you
there.
actually look like kind of black.
Yeah, I look dark today. I look caramel.
You
I look
look
caramel.
like right here, this whole part, you look like black. Like you don't even look caramel. You look a little blacker than caramel.
Thank you. Hey, y'all. Like, the sun is complimenting me. Like, it's bouncing right off of my little skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No sun.
I ain't gonna lie, the sun killing the shit out of me now, man. The sun was complimenting me, y'all. It was complimenting me, but it's killing me. Look down the sun. But it's killing me. Thank you. I'm good today.
My monkey. Bar, do you want to know something?
Hey.
The whole time I had my chair pushed to back. That whole time I
Cause he
had my chair
dumb.
on.
He trying to say I look dark skinned. Not dumb like that, but he funny.
I didn't notice that.
The sun is on me. Thank you. Thank you.
Mama, I already know what you about to say.
It's on me, baby.
Nah, you was gonna say something else.
Hell yeah, Sonny. I'm about to drop the kids off and go to work.
I want to drive.
Boy, you too little.
This seatbelt too tight.
Thank you. Thank
I'm
y'all.
9 years old.
Look, I can do my foot all the way down.
You low-key 9 for real. Tomorrow at 12 o'clock, you will be 9. Tomorrow at 12 a.m.
I thought 9 a.m.
No, 12.
Huh? How is it supposed to be 9 a.m.?
Hey. I have to get booked to come to Wisconsin. If somebody booked me, I'm going to come down there. I had to get booked to come to wherever city I go to. Thank
Mari,
you so
you
much.
turned 8 before you knew that you turned 8. Huh? You turned 8 before you knew it.
I know one thing.
No,
I'm trying.
at 12 o'clock, you did not know that you turned 8. Because I was literally...
I got one
At
kid.
12 o'clock, you ain't know that you was 8.
A regular nigga. I don't really want to get my attention to nobody at all.
When you woke up, you knew you was
To no
8.
dude.
At 12
Honestly, I'm
o'clock, you ain't
focused
know.
right now. So
It's 12 o'clock is the next day.
I can't really
It's
say
just
like
it's just
how
like
anybody can get my
nighttime still,
attention, because I ain't really trying to give my
Until you
attention
see
to
the
nobody right now.
outside.
Like, just focusing on moving up and
But it's
continuing to
still
grow,
lit,
you know.
At 12 a.m.
It's my main focus right now. So I
Next
can't
year,
even,
at 12 a.m.
you know.
on the day of your birthday at 12 a.m. at night,
Thank you.
you're gonna be 9. And then another year that happened, you're gonna be 10.
Thank you.
And then 11 and 12 and stuff. And then you're gonna keep growing up.
13 and 14, 15, 16,
Okay.
17, 18.
I really look dark skinned. I look.
Oh my
Because
God!
I got the visor down.
Oh my God!
Thank you. Hey y'all.
Mama!
What?
I'm about to slap myself.
Who slap yourself? Who's slapping your hands like some...
I'm a Cancer.
I can't take that sun.
Thank you.
Doesn't
Thank
have
God.
any pants.
Shout out to Detroit. Come on now. Always. It's gonna always be Detroit.
And
It's
Miss
gonna always be
Detroit.
big up to Detroit.
Detroit.
So they're crazy anyway.
Man,
Thank you. I'll be in Rochester in June.
Mama, put me in a live.
And
Man. No, because you got that mask on. Take that mask off.
fine.
No, that mask make you look ugly.
Thank you.
Me and my monkey.
Hey, y'all feeling like a little hungry or not?
Yes.
Yes.
That mean no.
No, then. That means yes.
That mean no too.
Well,
Yes means
no.
yes.
No.
No means yes.
I only got one kid. What's up, y'all? Period. Yeah. Thank you. Hey, Keon. Let them see you, RJ. This is my son.
Stop throwing up games, huh? Me and my monkey. Monkey doesn't have any pants.
Period.
Monkey is little special days. Mama, can we put the car in speed?
No.
Why you can't go in sport mode?
Yo, look at my sunroof. I don't know how my sunroof got cracked like that. I wasn't driving my car in so long. I've been driving a rental. I don't know how my sunroof got cracked. I think when my car was in the shop, somebody threw a brick at it or something. I don't want no more. Yes, time definitely fly. They have to inbox me to book me. It's not my birthday. I don't know how to gain upper body strength. I ain't gonna lie. I just naturally started doing it. Like I just practiced and I was able to do it.
I know how to gain upper body strength.
Tell them how.
You have to like get the what you call it and do this and then do this. Then you can gain upper body strength. And do sit up so you can get your middle body.
I mean, I guess I don't know, but that's what he said. That's what that man said.
I'm talking about the curls with the weight like this. The curls with the weight like this.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for the stars, Micah. They said, what's up, y'all? Hey.
What up, amen?
Our seatbelt's definitely on. Why you think your seatbelt ain't on? Why would my son not have his seatbelt on?
Look.
Now you about to get blocked just for saying that. Why wouldn't our seatbelts be on? Let me screenshot him so I can block him.
He's just gonna make a fake page.
Oh, he's talking about put your seatbelts on with a straight face. Like, why the fuck wouldn't our seatbelts be on?
He's gonna just make a fake page and then come back to it. Because I know how that stuff works.
Nah. Shut up. Yeah, he's my twin. They said you look just like me.
My CVs.
I don't know. I think I probably look better than RJ though.
No, I don't know.
Ugly. If I put your chain on and you had your chain on, like, I need to kill them when I turn 10.
Yeah, I been person got a chain that had my name on it.
Right, RJ already got a chain. He just want to upgrade his rope like, boy.
I need some money.
I got a chain. I'm not telling you.
I get a chain with my name on it.
No, I ain't bringing him. He going over to Shamil house.
Who is that?
Hey, Daddy. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah, he is. He is. He really, he's highly intelligent.
Hello, Dad. Okay.
Hey. You want to go over to your daddy house or Shamil's?
Charmel's. Wait, call Charmel real quick.
I already told you he was coming.
No, is TJ and Tristan there?
I mean, if it's TJ there, I don't know about Tristan.
If Tristan ain't there, well, I gotta go over to Charmel's house anyways to pick up TJ. But if Tristan ain't there,
I mean, not necessarily, but it'll be better because if I could just pick all y'all up from the same place.
Yeah, that's why. Instead of you just going all the way
Hey, y'all.
there to there.
Going back and forth.
I'll be in Texas.
What?
I'll be in
Yeah,
Dallas. I'll be in Dallas March 31st
Okay.
to June.
21st.
March 31st to June 2nd. And I don't got no booking down there. I'm booked down there for a movie, but I ain't got like no club
No, but
appearance.
isn't
I
it
might get a
March,
club
April,
appearance
May?
down there.
Isn't it March, April, May? So that gonna be next year?
I say March 31st. I'm in May 31st.
Oh.
I'll be in Texas this month. But I'm booked for a movie down there. I ain't got like no club booking, but I might slide that on in, like, you know.
I was gonna say, Mama, what you talking about March 31st? You gonna do that next year? They ain't gonna remember.
No, I mean May. Hey.
Man, one time it was two trucks together, and one said Taylor and the other one said Swift.
Thank you. It was. He
Taylor
definitely do.
Swift.
He do.
Huh?
Taylor Swift.
Tater Slits?
I said Taylor Swift.
Oh. Misunderstanding.
Boy, you talking about misunderstanding. Shut up.
Mama, I want to play football with you. You just throw the ball one time.
Nah, I'm not right now.
Mama,
Thank you.
We go to Charmel house. Can you throw the
Hey,
ball one time?
Boy, I throw that ball one time.
Oh, you
My
gotta be a
football is
dime.
big. That's my head.
Your head bigger than this ball. I'm gonna tell you that.
Boy, shut up.
Mine's is not
One
bigger
thing
than
is
this
true.
ball.
Your head is bigger.
My head not bigger than this ball.
Hey, y'all.
One thing.
Thank you for the stars, Sequoia.
The body.
I am tired, y'all. I've been working my ass off.
Okay.
Thank you. I've been working my ass off, man.
Right. Don't say that.
You look,
Where y'all trying to get some food from?
you look like a sumo wrestler. He called me a bow Lamborghini. Wait, that's an Audi. I'm tripping.
What's the idea?
That's something.
That bitch hard, I ain't gonna lie.
Hey! Yo!
Me, my monkey.
He is here
Monkey
saying,
doesn't have any pants. Monkey
I am
does
tired, I
little
ain't gonna
monkey
lie.
dance.
hey y'all, when is the traffic gonna pick up? And then y'all, I'm in the slow ass traffic. Like, I'm about to get off of here though. I gotta make a phone call, so.
Wow, wow, wow.
I'm going to the bar, y'all.
Wow. Mom, is that our exit?
No, that's for your daddy house. Y'all said y'all didn't want to go over there, so.
I do. I'm just kidding.
I was about to say.
I was about to say. Bro,
I felt that car stop. I said, I'm just kidding. Cause, Mama, did you stop the car or something?
Yeah, I was gonna slide on the exit and drop y'all right off. Ooh, the traffic going down there?
A lot.
Ooh, the traffic going?
Mama, why don't you just go down from right here?
It's just like we
These
get
people
over.
don't know how to drive.
Thank you.
These people don't know how to drive.
Wow.
That's the old me. I ain't no fighter no more. I don't fight. I don't do none of that. I chill now. I don't even be on that. Like I used to embarrass myself being out here fighting and shit, dog. Like when you look back at it,
Why you
it's
embarrass yourself?
like because it's like that's embarrassing to be a young lady and you out here just fighting and stuff.
You lose,
Not one time.
so it's not embarrassing yourself.
I mean, it's embarrassing the fact that you out here fighting and you a young lady. Shouldn't be out here fighting.
That's still winning though.
Because it's
Yeah.
dangerous in Detroit. It's dangerous. It's dangerous.
Thank you. He's so.
Detroit is basically Chicago.
Yeah.
You put it right there.
So what happens in Detroit?
The same thing that happened on O Block.
What happened to O
People get
Block?
shot and
People
ran
get
over.
shot by Dirk because Von dead. Well, he's still
Oh
alive.
my God.
Von is alive. He just don't tell us. Yeah.
You said who alive?
King Von.
Why you think he alive?
I seen it.
Yeah, because on my birthday party, we saw him and it said to
Your nose snotty.
no. It said it was a day before.
Exactly. Someone did you look?
He was at the village.
Okay, Casina, not one time.
No,
Not one time.
It was a day after he died.
He is
And we
irritated.
saw him with a pack of money in his hand.
Thank you.
So that was my birthday.
Thank you. Yeah, for sure.
He had money in a bag.
Yeah.
And he was walking.
I don't
through the
know.
dealership.
I'm gonna be in Chicago.
King Von was alive walking to the dealership. So I was
After he died,
he never died.
after he got shot.
Yes. Rondo took him to the hospital.
Yeah. Wait, ain't he?
Rondo took him and what happened?
Rondo shot him, but he took him to the hospital because NBA Youngboy set it up. So Rondo got his money, but Youngboy thought that King Von died. So
King Von ain't dead.
No.
yeah, he not dead. It's just Rondo shot him. But now I think they cool or something because
But everybody say King Von dead. He had a funeral and everything. You ain't know that?
I saw that.
He had a funeral and everything.
That was
Okay.
fake. That was fake. Because it said fake dead on top of
Hey y'all.
the title.
So they got reason to believe that King Von is still alive. Bless you. But RJ, you said Tupac alive, didn't you?
Yes. No,
his beard this long.
Huh?
Look, his beard this long.
So what make you feel like Tupac alive?
I seen it.
yeah, he's still alive.
His beard was literally this long.
So where's
His
Tupac
beard was
at?
so white.
Where
I
he-
don't know.
He in a different. All
I
I
think he
know
in a
is he got in a helicopter and he is out. All I
So
know,
y'all seen Tupac or y'all just seen it on?
No,
Yeah, he played
no.
football.
All I know is he went into a helicopter and then he went to a different city, straight out.
So I'm saying, though, how do y'all know Tupac alive? Where's y'all proof?
Because
I seen him.
I see him.
Where y'all see him on YouTube? Where?
In real life.
In real life?
Yes,
Where in real life? Where RJ?
with my dad.
So you was with your dad and you seen Tupac.
Yes.
So what your daddy say?
He wasn't looking. He was on his phone on Facebook.
So where was Tupac at?
He was by that Metro PCS.
Okay. So what was he doing? He was in a car.
He was literally in the car. He was in a car with a girl.
On God he was.
She was on.
He do.
On God he was. On God.
RJ said he seen Tupac by Metro PCS, y'all.
God.
So when you seen Tupac, why you ain't say, Daddy, they go Tupac?
Because I already said it. He just wasn't looking. Like he kept on texting people on Facebook, and people think.
He told me he tried to tell his daddy, but his daddy wasn't paying attention. He told me he kept trying to talk to people on Facebook and people DMs. Dog, are you fucking funny, bro? Now he was in people DMs like you was telling them you they go Tupac. Dog, thank you. Do y'all hear him? He tried to tell his daddy they go Tupac. His daddy was busy trying to talk to people on Facebook.
He's talking to his group.
Dog, he's so stupid, dog. Dog.
And 2K.
I'm so dead. Yeah, he is. Thank you. They said you're really smart, RJ. That boy funny. One day I was on live a long time ago. My son was young. He probably was like 3 or 4. And I was picking him up from his daddy's house. His daddy had a girlfriend at the time. So I was on live. Stop. Don't. What are you doing? Stop.
You got to snitch on me.
Well, a lot of them already know. So I'm on live and my son like what happened? I forgot, but he was like he's like, Mama, cause yeah, my daddy a cheater. My daddy be cheating on all his girlfriends. He be like, every night it's a new girl that come over and every day they leave. And then every night it's another one, then another one. And my daddy always cheating. And I told my daddy that that's not good. You need to stop cheating. But did you say you told him or no? Or they said you wanted to tell him, but you ain't tell him. He wanted to tell us.
I did tell him.
You told him stop cheating. And what'd he say?
He ain't said nothing back to me.
And my dad has 7 baby mamas.
Ooh.
Yeah. He has 7 baby mamas. And guess what? How many kids?
How many?
7.
So Sheba one of them?
Yes. Technically.
So yeah, 7. A little bit older.
They gonna tell her. His daddy called me like, Kiva, what live you got up, bro? Delete that live, man. This girl over here tripping. I'm like, bro, I'm on live. He said what he wanted to say. Like, I'm like, he said what he wanted to say. I'm on live. Like, he decided to tell me that you always cheating on all your girlfriends. Like, what you want me to do?
I lied anyway, so
No, you ain't lying.
I was.
You was dead serious,
There was
bro.
only one girl that came.
Oh, you lying for him now? It's old. You don't got to lie now. It's old. He got a new
There was
girl.
only 1 or 2 for him.
So 1 or 2. So, but every day it's another girl. I remember how you said you was like it's another girl and another girl.
No. Actually, that do happens now. Actually.
Y'all better stop telling that man business. Y'all better
stop.
stop telling his business. I'm on his live.
Oh, y'all about to beat your ass sus when we get out this car. Because you say everything. You just say everything.
You about to beat his what?
ASS when we get out this car. Be scrapping.
RJ, be quiet.
No, we running ones. This man say everything.
He's telling your daddy business.
He said everything.
He said it too.
I'm trying to take up for my dad. You trying to snitch.
I was just playing.
What happened to my curls? I took them out. I just curled the end of my hair. Like, I flat ironed my hair a little bit. And I just curled the end. But they falling out too. But I literally just curled the bottom part. But yeah, they gone. I'm gonna have to curl it over when I get in the bar. I had flat ironed it and I had just curled like down here. But it's so soft that the curls just fall right out. Come on, go.
No.
But yeah, no, these kids
My
funny.
house.
Hey girl.
Stop talking about it.
Alright, we about to grab y'all something to eat real
A
quick.
little bit older. A little bit.
Alright, I'm about to get off here. I gotta get these kids something to eat, drop them off.
Okay.
Thank you.
A little bit
Drop
older.
them off and then yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Thank you, Rosie. I'll talk to y'all later.
Maury, if Tristan is there.